Hello learners, today we are going to learn how to multiply numbers between the range 10 and 20, or it is 20 and 30, or it is 30 and 40, and so on. So here what we are going to do, I am going to take 3 examples of each kind and then we are going to move ahead using the same trick. Here's to the first set of multiplication. These two numbers are lying between 10 and 20. Here the base. We did the base method. Here also the base is 10. So what are we going to do? We are going to find out the difference. So it is plus 3 will make it 13 and plus 6 will make it 16. Now there are two parts of the answer, that is the first part. I am just writing out all the concepts, all the tricks that how we have to do, and there is the second part. Second part will comprise of one digit only. Why? Because my base has only 1 0. Okay, so that is why the second part will have only one digit. Now as you can see, when I multiply these two, I will be getting 6 into 3, which is 18. So here I need to note down that only number 8 is going to be taken care. Otherwise, we are going to take this digit to the next part, that is the first part. Okay, now when we talk about the first part, so what is first part? First part is 13 plus 6 or 16 plus 3. So it is turning out to be 19 in both ways. Now the first part comprises of 19 and a 1 coming from the second part, so which makes it 20. The second part has 8 in its units place, so my answer is 208. All of you can also go and check. Let's take another set of numbers. Now the other set of numbers that I am taking will lie between 20 and 30. The numbers are 24, which is multiplied by 28. Now here, what is the difference? The difference here is of plus 4 and plus 8. Why? Because I am taking the base here as 20. So people, you need to be very careful while we are doing these kind of things. Again, we will have first part and the second part. Second part will have how many digits? 1 digit, because the number of zeros is 1 in the base. Now, what is multiplication of these two numbers? The multiplication of 4 with 8 is 32. So which digit am I keeping for the second part? It will be 2, and I would be taking this to the first part. Now, the thing when we are taking the interval as 20 and 30, that what is the thing I will keep in mind? First thing, what is 24 plus 8 and 28 plus 4? It is 32. Now, what is my base? 20. So, I am going to multiply this number with 2. What is my answer? The answer will come out to be 64. What is the number that is coming from the second part? It is 3. The first part has number 67. The second part has number 2. So my answer is 672. You all may also check and let me know if it is correct or not. Simple thing, and same thing will be followed with all such intervals. When I am taking the interval as 30 and 40 and I am taking the numbers as 35 and 33. So the numbers here are 33 and 35. The base will be 30. The difference between the numbers will be, I am going to write it plus 3 and this is 5. So what is this multiplication? It is 15. Again, second part and first part. My second part will have only one digit because the number of zeros in the base is 1. So here I am going to take this 15. Now what is 33 plus 5 and 35 plus 3? It is 38. And what is my base? 30. So I think I should be dividing it with the number 3. So what is 38 multiplied by 3? It is 140. What is coming from the second part? It is 1. So I am adding this 1 over here. The number in the first part will become 115 and the number in the second part is 5. Thus, my answer is 1155. So, okay, you all also try this trick. Make your friends, family and all the members, all the people you know around, go ahead with these tricks. These are very helpful for you. Please keep sharing all the things. Thank you so much. God bless you and have a great time. See you in the next video.